EarthQuake in Salt Lake City and Jordan causing Oklahoma City /arrested/grounded. Enjoy! Created by Hero Brian Channel.
Man, I hate turd Brad for make ugly ooh girl, what can I do? And I just shit on my diapers. Wah. I know, I will go to Jordan house and cause everything. Ha 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 ha.
Oh my god, what happened to you?
Wow. Turd Brad turned me into a girl.
Oh my god, you want to mess up, okay? You will go to Salt Lake City, and I will stay here Oklahoma downtown.
Okay.
Are you here?
Yes.
I will go to downtown. This is Plotagon. I will go TP me to downtown. Hero Brian will take my power and destroy the tallest city public building. Later, Jackson girl and Fat Jordan went home.
Ha 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 ha.
Ha 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 ha.
Jackson. Oh. Jackson, I will go call the cops on you.
Hero Brian, you look pissed. What happened to you?
Because Jackson and the world in Jordan does too. I'm going to stop that meteor, because it makes the world hot the earth in Salt Lake City.
Ooh, I will go arresting Jackson.
Capital W A W A W A W A W A W A W A W A W A W A W A W A W A W A W A Wah. No 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 no. Wah.
Jackson. Jackson Nipper, the police is here.
Wah.
Jackson, you're going to jail.
Wah. You dragged my hair.
I don't care. And back to Jordan.
Jordan, that's it. You're grounded. Now stay in your room and poop on your fucking diapers inside your pants.
Wah. Wah. That was my worst thing I have ever done for my life. Like and subscribe.
Hellcat.